how to change default PDF viewer on any Android. In order to change that, you may follow up this process. First thing is you can navigate to your settings, and then once you open up your settings, you may scroll down and look for apps. And from apps, you can scroll through the list of available the install applications here. Wait for this to completely load up first, and from here you can go ahead and find the app currently set as the default PDF viewer. For example, Drive. So just go ahead and locate it up and open it up. And once you open it up, find the option that says set as default or open by default. Tap on it. And from here we have this option of clear defaults, so you can tap on clear defaults and clear the defaults. After that, you can go ahead and close your settings and open up any of the PDF file on your device. For example, let's say this PDF file right here. So tap on it, and once tapped on it, when prompted, select your preferred PDF viewer from the list of available device. For example, if you want to select Samsung PDF Reader, just go ahead and tap on it and select this option of always to make your chosen app the default new default PDF viewer for your device. And that is it. That is how you basically do it. You can change the default PDF viewer on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials for